Alright everyone, we meet again. Dwi Rangga Saput nggak Dwi Rangga Putra will be first in
Yeah,
talking. So yeah,
yeah. Okay, thank you, Mr. Alfian. Yeah.
don't call me
So
Mister.
good. So good evening, everyone. Today I want to tell my activity in this day. So let's start it. Maybe I wake up. I woke up around 5:50. Yeah, 5:50 a.m. That's so late to pray subuh. I don't know. I know I late to woke up for pray because I sleep. I sleep mm, terlalu malam. Eh,
Middle night.
tonight ya, middle night. I sleep middle night, maybe around 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. A.m. I'm sorry, p.m. So that is for I wake up late. So after that, after I wake up and I ju- I did the tasks of the school because there are so many tasks. Maybe not tasks, just tasks. The task is called in Indonesia that is PTS. Because 1 week ago I'm forget it. I'm forget about that PTS or task because yeah, that is lah. I don't want to give you. I don't want to give you know about that. So that is I did it. I did it. I did the task. The task is sport, just sport and mathematics. Nah, yeah, that's mathematics. For this task of mathematics, that's so interesting because the question is SI, SI. For the SI, inside have some brains, brains. That is soalnya the question is berakar soalnya kayak gitu. Atau enggak, you can say Indonesia the soalnya itu beranak. That is that's so for long to did the task. Maybe my friend did the task around 12 hours. Nah, that is 12, that's so long. So that is after that, after I did the task and I, yeah, usually every day I join typewriter. I study typewriter because my speed is down again. I don't know. Maybe I can say if I if I pass 1 day to typewriter, uh, my my focus to typewriter is gone. That is. So after I joined the typewriter, I did. Oh yeah, I I read some book that is module Debian ethic. That is for this Debian. That version is so old for that module because Debian version is 8.0. That's so old because right now version Debian is 10.0 dot X. That is. So After I read some module, I take a rest for a short time, maybe just 30 minutes. I take a nap. So, I forget it. Oh, before I take a nap, I join this meeting. I forget it. Yeah, I join this meeting. So, my voice is here. Suara saya ada kan ya? Check sound. Alright. So, after I take a nap, I meet with my partner for the project. For your information, that project is I can say that is reconfigure the module of Netflix because this module that's so old, and we are want to apa ya reconfigure again to the version new version. Oh yeah, renew that is. So I meet with my partner, and one of my partner that is so late because he say that supermarket that's so far from his house. For your information, I I give announcement. I give announcement at 4 p.m. to meet, but one of my friend is so late. That is. So after that, I meet with my partner, and after one, so this meeting is end. Suddenly, he is enter the meeting again. For the platform for information, that is Discord. The platform for the meeting is Discord. Just talking lah, chit chat. So that is he joined to this meeting because I and my partner still there. So I meet again, and I explain what I tell before to him. So that is after that I invite my friend, and I invite in the Discord to join type racing, to battle type race in website typeracer.com. Same with before. That's a website as I know. So I invite them, and maybe just 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just 4 with me for the join the typewriter. Okay. For the this typewriter have maybe I remember that 5 round or 6 round. Maybe 7 round, and 3 round first. For typewriter language is English, and second race 1 until 3 round we type race with language English, and 4 until 7 we type racer with Indonesian language. For the first round I win. Actually I win. Maybe my VPM is just 7 70 word per minute. That is. So before I continue, how many minutes left?
Nah, you're done.
Oh, that's so that's
Alright,
so.
that's
Okay,
so
maybe
fast.
that is my activity for this day. Thank you everyone to hear me.
Alright, I think the second one is me. So I'm here. I want to talk about my daily life again, and yeah, let's start it. So first thing first, I woke up in 7:30 a.m. and I'm just like doing something like some college, like doing some lessons or doing something lecture and finish the homework from lecturer. Alright, so um after I'm doing some lecture, I'm go to sleep because in the yesterday I'm sleeping at the midnight, so I need sleeping again because human need to 7 and yes, from 7 until 8 hours for sleep. So yeah, I need 2 hours again for sleep, and then after I'm wake up again from the sleep, I'm doing something like looking around about the JavaScript. Alright, I watched several video for learning JavaScript. Do you know what is web programming, Unpas? No.
Yes, I know it.
there is a there is a lecture from for all student. I was to like watching it, and there is kind of like a good about the learning because the like the no no because this channel is explaining to a lot because no, no, there is a kind of like you can easily understanding because first it's Indonesian and the second it's learning a lot, not a lot, but it's like a good lah intinya mah. To the point, like a good channel for the learning programming. So after I'm going some learning, I was to no no I'm doing some contesting again because I'm not good if I'm not doing pen test. I don't know why, because there is a lot of information I have ready to know, and if you done it you can learn something new. So yeah, it's my daily routine for this kind of like schedule. Alright, so after done with the with the challenge, I I'm doing some solving study case. In exactly, I'm doing it in HackerRank, and I have done about 2 challenges in HackerRank. So I'm was time in like 3 hours because the study case is so difficult, but it's worth it. You if you want to be developer or if you want to be programmer, you must doing some like challenging yourself, because if you done about the challenge, you have already to know, like you can be faster about uh, solve any problem any trouble in the programming. So I'm recommend you to solve any exercise in hackering, and I I'm not done about 30 days about 30 days of programming because I don't have much time for this. And another way other ways is I have some assignment. I have segment from my college, so that is make me like not doing faster, but exactly I'm doing it slowly. So yeah, I think the next topic I want to asking about my my experience in playing hackering. So first thing first, I don't know what is hackering. I was to looking around about what is it, how it works, and yeah, something like that. So I'm I'm looking around, and I I found the article. It's like Python code. So I'm going to solve it, but I cannot. I can, and I'm will looking some write up or looking some like weather school for learning again, and then after that I'm solve the challenge. So there is a first challenge for me in hackering, and the challenge is problem solving Python. So yeah, that is kind of like a good for another user who want to be like developer. So yeah, there is I still have 3 minutes, and I have no idea about talking. So I think I will talking again about my my nah it's my if I'm asking if I'm talking about daily life, it's kind of like often. It's I I often doing this every day, every meet. So I'm thinking about different. So what is it? Let me thinking about it. I think oh yeah, I think I will talking about the wireless. So yeah, the wireless. Do you know Eiffel Twins? Do you know Eiffel Twins? No. Alright, I will show you. I will explaining. The Eiffel Twin is like a method for cloning any wireless, and in Eiffel Twins, it's kind of like just cloning the real Wi-Fi, and you stop the real Wi-Fi, then you making another SSID, so you can get any username and password from Eiffel Twins. And yeah, that is kind of like a good, and you must try it. I was try it, but I don't have any tabling, and I have tabling, but my tabling is not support for Eiffel Twins. So yeah, in Eiffel Twins, you can do uh, like spraying password or brute force or kind of like cloning. So it's kind of like uh it's kind of like it's kind of like not difficult. It's because it's not difficult because in Google, if you search what is stapling, there is a lot of tutorials, there is a lot of article and contents. So you can read it, and you can doing something research for Ableton if you want to, if you interesting about it. So yeah, I think my time is done. So Handoko, are you here?
Yes, Handoko.
Handoko, are you here? Come on.
Hello.
Alright,
There.
that's good. I'm glad you're here. So yeah.
Sorry for my late because my friend. As you know, I never be home. I never
Oh,
home.
like I know, I know.
Now I'm in my friend's home for joining his Wi-Fi
Alright.
for my good signal. So yeah, he bought a new PC, and here I am helping to build the setup. And yeah, here I'm building setup. The problem that he have is the monitor. She bought a TV, not a monitor. So there must be a lot of problem. And I saw. So yeah, for final we use the TV for the monitor, and that's cool. That's kind of cool because what I saw is like we live in a smart home because when you turn on the TV, there's not the first show up is not a channel like Trans TV or RCTI or something, but the first pop up is will be a Windows 10, and
Yeah,
yeah, that's a Chrome.
I'm using TV too right
I
now.
thought that
You want to see?
nice. That's what. Yeah, can you display it?
Yeah, yeah,
Are you using webcam?
yeah. I'm using webcam and I'm using this. I'm
Whoa,
using
that's
TV
the
for this.
that's
So
nice.
this is a monitor and this is a TV. So yeah, it's bigger. I like it.
Yeah, and that's cool because you have 2 monitors and that's ready for the live stream.
Yeah, but
You know what I'm saying?
it's not good for gaming, because the
Maybe
refresh
that
rate it's kind of like not good.
maybe that's not good for gaming, but a live stream is not all about the gaming. You can just do a podcast or something,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, uh, I don't know. I kind of jealous because he bought a PC online and it comes with a good condition. Wow, he must be very lucky.
Okay.
Because whenever I bought something online, there must be something problem. I bought my keyboard online and it's fucked up. And that's kind of I don't know. It's like and yeah, I forgot the opening. I forgot my opening. Okay, good
It's
evening,
okay.
guys. And how are
It's okay.
you? How
I'm
are you
fine.
doing?
I'm fine.
How about Ranga?
Rangga, I think it's fine.
Oh, I think he's fine. We think he's fine. Oh,
Yes,
I'm
I
so
am
glad.
fine too.
That's fine.
That's my boy. And that's good to hear you guys. And how minutes left?
Oh yeah.
I'm
Wait a
trying to
minute.
waste my time with
Uh,
Abdul.
you need 7 minutes for talking again.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I still have 7 minutes,
yeah.
and what I want to talk about is about maybe about a uh, are the win is recorded or something? Are you guys here a win or something?
Oh wait a minute. I'm replying my friends. So can you
Oh
repeat your question?
yeah. Are my sounds clear?
Ah no,
Good,
it's
clear.
clear. It's clear. It's good.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, so uh, um, I don't know. My friend is talk. So this afternoon, my friend my friend presented about cloud computing with AWS and and Azure. So my friend just called it name and Ilham. So Ilham is presented about cloud computing with iOS and Azure.
Oh,
I was
that's
at
good.
the first I was interested with the topic until I came late. When I late, I forgot. Not I'm not forgetting, but you know I kind of because I not hear because I not hear from the class
Ah,
from the first place. So
wait a minute. He
yeah,
have OS certificate?
I don't know. I don't know about that,
Oh, right.
but he learned on it autodidact, autodidact.
Oh,
So
alright.
I kind of amazed with him, and
Mm,
at the first place, as the first at the first place. No, no, no. At the first time I hear he want to, he want to share about cloud computing with iOS. I kind of interesting. I'm interested because I like cloud computing and yeah, his voice is good to present it. And uh, when he's presented, I forgot there is a Google Meet, and I pass about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and I what is ketinggalan tertinggal? What is tertinggal? I lost about 50% of that material. So right now I was like, yeah, I was like, okay, I need to, you know, I need to find it by myself. Yeah, Rangga, you're correct. You're correct. His name is
Uh,
Ilham. That's Ilham.
yeah,
That is Ilham. I told you he's my
I
friend.
know it.
I told you
Yeah,
he's my friend.
I
alright.
know it. Yeah.
Guys,
And
I'm sorry. I want to masukin motor.
okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Okay. Where am I? Where am I? Drop it. Oh, yeah. First thing first. He talked about what is OS and many about cloud computing. But because I came late, I passed it all that, and I only got when he say cloud computing is all about a VM instance and how you manage your credit. And I was like, okay, okay, that's okay. And um, I'm not hear clearly what he say, but and I not catch it. I not catch all that, so I just catch about uh s- he wait, I'm nervous. Let me take a breath. Okay, so he explained to me about one thing, and then I heard I only heard about a half. Okay, then I understand about a quarter. So here now I'm talking about not one parade, but I'm talking about two. And what I want after he presented about cloud computing, I think about wow, maybe I will learn this next time or not next time about after I give a lesson maybe after I give a lesson, I will learn about digital computing with AWS, always educate, and maybe I'll try GTP and Azure.
Ah, GCP is it's good.
But GTP is good, but maybe if there is a education account for free, that will be great. Or maybe
Mm,
I'm not searching for it. Well, I'll look up before after I'll look after it. So how minutes that left in
Oh yeah,
my
1 minute again. No. I think it's done.
oh, it's done.
It has
Okay.
been 30
Thank you
minutes.
for listening to my chit chat.
Okay,
Yeah, so
so
you're welcome.
thank you.
Uh,